Hi, welcome back to Sheila's Quick and Easy. I know I don't look good. I've been really helping out my mother. Her husband died a couple of months ago and she's been here with me and I've been focusing on her. So, but today we're gonna make potato salad. Excuse the kitchen, because I'm telling you I'm very busy. I'm washing clothes and everything. But the quick way to make potato salad is boil your potatoes. Cut them out. Doesn't, you know, if you want chunky, you put big pieces in it. But I didn't. I have medium pieces in it of potato salad to make my potato salad. Here's my potatoes. Right? Then I'm going to cut up some onions and some eggs. Cut them up. Put them in the potato salad, like so. Just like that. Now, to this eggs might be a little difficult, so I put them in there with my hands. You know to wash your hands when you're cooking, right? Okay, after you put your eggs and your onions in, you go get, some people cut up pickles, but get some sweet relish. Because this way you don't have to add sugar if you don't want to. So put some relish in there. Then you have to get some mustard, Gouda, whatever kind of mustard you like, get it. Squeeze it in there. And my favorite, Hellmann's mayonnaise. Hellmann's is the best, man. We've been using this for years in my family. Oh, God. And Miracle Whip, I don't eat Miracle Whip when I have a liverwurst sandwich. Other than that, I don't really eat liverwurst. I couldn't get the spoon. Where's the spoon? Get some mayonnaise. Like so. Don't stir it up with this spoon because it's not a good spoon. Get a bigger spoon and toss it gently until its flavors are mixed together. Like that. Just until they're mixed. Excuse me. Just until it's mixed together. So you're going to need some more mayonnaise. You're going to do it again. Don't stir. Fold. Fold it in. I don't have a big enough bowl to stir, so I'm going to fold it in. I do have a bigger bowl, excuse me. Have my big... red mixing bowl. Excuse me. Have my big red mixing bowl. Instead of folding, I can stir. In my big red mixing bowl. See? Just make sure all of this is together. Make sure all of it's together. My mom's here. She's gonna be my taster. As you know, usually my husband is, but he's filming. Ma, is this enough mayonnaise? Or should I put a little bit more?
That's enough. Just there. You did
okay.
The pickles or you did the other?
I did this, the relish.
Yeah. All right.
That's my mother. She's the one who taught me how to do this. Her and her sisters taught us how to cook. My mother said something that was so funny today. She said, Sheila, you learned how to cook good because you used to didn't know how to cook. I don't remember since. And her sister said, Sheila, since you've been married, you've been cooking. Because I cook and I bake. Next episode, I'll make sure y'all my famous that my mother loves. She always want me to make a 7-Up cake. And I can make more than a 7-Up cake. But that's all she wanted, is a 7-Up cake. Now, for flavor, gonna add a little pepper, a little salt, and a little accent. Accent wakes up the flavor. Right? I know it's a mess, but it's okay. Y'all will excuse me this time. A little salt, not a lot. Just shake. Just like that. A little pepper. A little pepper. And a little accent. Just a little. Then you're gonna stir it up again. We on the Mom! Calling my mother because she's my taster. I want you to come and taste this. She will tell me what.
This is looking good, man.
I know y'all don't know what she said because that's our family language. Let me get a spoon, not that spoon, my mother needs a small spoon to taste the potatoes. Tell me what it's needed. Come on. This is my mother. Say hi, Mom.
Hello.
Say hi to the people.
Hi. I want to taste this so I can go sit down.
Uh-oh.
Well, hey. That's good. It's good.
Oh, the sun's just coming out.
It's just right, Mom. Well. Excuse her, Lord.
Uh-oh.
Okay. And that's how I make potato salad. Potatoes, bowl. You know, you can make potatoes any size. Some people make them big, a little bigger than that. Some people make them just a bit smaller. Some people make little squares and stuff. But you make, cut your potatoes any way you want. And those was on sale. I always give y'all a sale. All right, you need some small salt and pepper. My mother said need some more salt and pepper. So I'm going to add that.
So what's the meal we're making again?
Well, we're making potato salad. This was potato salad.
This potato salad, okay.
Right. But it depends on how you're going to cut your potatoes. You can make them big, small, doesn't matter. But the ingredients are potatoes, onions, eggs, mayonnaise, sweet relish, which you can also use for your franks. I mean your hot dogs. Mustard, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, salt and pepper and accent. And then you're gonna have a big bowl so you can stir it correctly. I'm gonna taste it now myself. I'm making this. Tastes darn good. When it gets cold, it's gonna be so much better. Cause you can taste the onion. I think put a little bit more relish in here.
So you just add, you can add your ingredients to taste.
You add it to taste.
Yeah.
Some people put sugar in there. To me, sugar belongs in a cake. And coffee and tea and stuff like that. Well, you add it until to your taste. I always tell you, do everything to your taste. See? Let me see. Let me see how this tastes to me now.
So how it tastes now?
I keep getting a lot of onion. Next time I only cut one onion. This time I cut it two. But my husband, he like onions. But
So
it tastes good. So after you do that, cover it up. Put in the refrigerator. I'm sorry for the way I look. I'm tired. I've been not feeling too well this week. You know, my sinuses, getting up early, checking on my mother, making sure she's okay, washing clothes, cleaning the daycare. I've been doing a lot. Been doing a lot of walking.
Yeah.
I lost some weight. I'm very proud of myself. My mother's laughing. So is my husband. But I'm proud of myself. My mother called me. Mom, what you call me? Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Okay.
Call me pumpkin because she said I was kind of fat. Round and whatever. Whatever. My mother is really a funny woman. She keeps me laughing all day. We go to the store, we go to the bank. And with all that walking, I lost the weight.
Yeah.
And then I'm not eating as much as I usually do. But for the potato salad, you need potatoes. Onions. Don't put a lot of onions. I just put too many onions in there today. Cut up one onion, cut it up small.
Yeah.
Some sweet mixed pickles, some eggs, some mayonnaise, some mustard, some salt, some pepper, some accent. Do it to taste. That's all I can say. Had fun as usual. Next time, while I make this tonight, with some fried chicken wings. My greedy cousin is coming over. I call her Greedy Gretchen number 2. My mother's Greedy Gretchen number 1. And we're going to sit down. We're going to sit at the table. We're going to talk. And we're going to eat this potato salad. He's going to be with 3 women. My husband tonight. Gonna like that, baby?
I just want one.
He is such a sweetheart. Peace. Have a great day.